Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you my fidget cube that I got yesterday at the Minnesota Zoo. So see you in the video. Okay, so this side right here is just buttons. You just press buttons. This is an on and off switch. Shut up, TGA21. So just kind of fidget with that. And my brother got a gold fidget spinner yesterday from the zoo.
Metal.
So that's that. This is a little like joystick. Like and button. Kind of moving around like PS4 controller or something, or Xbox. This thing right here is just basically like a thing that you put your finger in. You just rub it. Yeah. This is the thing that you spin around. Spin. So this one is my favorite one. This is a marble that you rub around, and then these are like little things you twist. Okay. I hope you liked that video of showing my fidget cube. Yeah. It's good.
Comment down below if you like fidget stuff.
So, yeah. Kind of moved it. It's really fun. My favorite side is probably the light switch.
Mine too.
The light switch or the joystick thing.
I don't know. I can move
So,
around.
see you in the video. God. Hey, bug, get off my thing.
You're still playing.
This thing right here, this bug, it was on my phone. Okay, guys. So like, see you in my next video. Shout outs to you, Evan, Larry, Ashton, Carter, Owen. Yeah. Okay, so when I was pausing a lot, I was like looking at the bug since like I didn't know what kind of bug was it. I was trying to like examine it, so I was like the whole like last clip. So yeah.